My name's Nathan Kotlarewski. I'm an industrial designer. I work at the University of Tasmania, and this right here is my wife's long-term family home. It was her grandma's, it was her uncle's, it was her parents, and when we were living here together, it was this cute little cottage, just the two of us and the dog, that had this real home feeling to it. Yet the functionality was a little bit challenging at times. We came to Mybuild and we developed this concept, and we wanted this kind of bigger open space. We didn't want to lose that homey generation of our Brooks ancestors. The things that have changed about this house is this kitchen, this living area, also the deck, and also the lounge room out the back. We've come out the back and we've come out the front and to the side with the deck.
I love about this house that it brings sort of the outside in. We can see out over the paddocks and to my horses, and yeah, that's basically the number one thing for me.
Some of the features that we love about this place is the natural light, the timber, the recycled furniture, the warmth, the white, the large sheets of glass, the views, the entertainment areas, the space, the functionality, the bathrooms, floor to ceiling tiles.
So there's quite a few elements that are still in the house that were here when my grandparents bought the house. So the fireplace we've kept, it's the original fireplace, and the mantelpiece in particular, that I really like that. You can still see the old stains on the floor.
We decided to collaborate with Murray and the team at Mybuild Collective because we did a lot of research on who was available, who had street cred, and who had relationships with people that we knew too. Murray and the team at Mybuild were really helpful and innovative with their approach to our aspirations. As a designer and someone with timber expertise, I came to the team and said, these are my themes, these are my must-haves. And Brooke also had her wish list and her desires and needs. We really went to Murray and we said, these are non-negotiables, these are what we want. And they took that inspiration, they took the passion that we brought to the project and developed a concept that reflected what we wanted and what we were asking for. In terms of supplying material, in terms of delivering with nothing, yeah, I would recommend Mybuild. They've given us a beautiful home.